Pay attention from here. This is what banking of road. So the first is what is banking of road. So banking of road, it is nothing but one technique. It is one technique to get the safety speed constant. Okay, so it is one technique to get the safety speed constant, and how that it is achieved? It is achieved by making the road inclined, okay, from the horizontal surface. So that is called as banking of road. So method of keeping the surface of the road inclined with respect to horizontal, it is called as banking of road. So what is an angle between the inclined surface and horizontal surface? That is called as the next angle of banking. So the angle between the road surface and the horizontal is called as what? Angle of banking, and it is denoted by what? Theta. So this is what a practical terminologies of calculating the angle of banking. So it is measured in what? It is measured in what? Degrees. It is measured in what? Degrees. So it is measured in degrees. The angle of bankings are measured in degrees. So in this section, we will derive the formula for what? In this section, we will derive the formula for safety speed. This we have already understood in the previous lecture, the safety speed, and we will be calculating the formula for maximum speed and minimum speed in this lecture. Expression for safety speed. So what is the question? The question is derive an expression for safety speed for a vehicle to be driven on bank road. Yes, any doubt?
Yes, a doubt. Actually, the doubt is on textbook page 4. It says determine the angle to be made with the vertical by a two-wheeler rider while turning on a horizontal track.
Okay.
So, what are we supposed to write there?
You have to write there the angle of banking derivation. Angle of banking derivation, the theta, it is equal to tan inverse of v square divided by rg, that we have done in the previous lecture. I am going to tell you the answer in this slide only. Okay, so don't worry. So expression for safety speed. Expression for safety speed, we are going to consider a vehicle taking left turn, okay, on a bank road. So this is the vehicle which is taking left turn like this. It is the vehicle is going to move. So this vehicle, it is not going upward or downward the road. It is taking left turn, okay. So this vehicle is taking left turn. What are the various forces on this vehicle? It is what? The weight mg, which is acting in downward direction, and normal reaction is always perpendicular to the surface. The normal reaction is in this direction. So this is resolved into two components. N was not along x-axis, neither along y-axis. So this will be resolved into two components. N cos theta, it is directing upward in the direction of y-axis, and sin theta, it is along x-axis. It is very much necessary that this n cos theta should be greater than n sin theta. Okay, you should remember this. N cos theta should be greater than n sin theta. You can see the length of n cos theta is greater. The length of n sin theta is less. Okay, compared to n cos theta. So in the previous lecture, I told you how to draw this diagram. Okay, now also I will explain how to draw this diagram. Uh, what are the various forces present? There are two forces present, N and mg. So if N, it is getting resolved into two components, we can say this N cos theta is balancing the weight of the vehicle. That is what W, it is equal to mg. And this N sin theta, it is directing towards the center. So this provides necessary centripetal force for circular motion. Okay. So from the diagram, there are two forces acting on the vehicle. The first is the normal reaction perpendicular to the road surface. So this is the road surface. This is the road surface. The N, it is perpendicular to this. The weight, which is always going to act in vertical downward direction. So normal reaction can be resolved into two components such that N cos theta balances the weight of the vehicle, and N sin theta provides the necessary centripetal force for circular motion. So N cos theta, it is equal to what? Mg, and what N sin theta, it is equal to mv squared divided by r. So if suppose we divide these two equations, we will get tan theta, it is equal to v squared divided by rg. So what we have is theta, it is equal to tan inverse of v squared divided by rg. So if suppose a rider is there, bike rider is there. So for him, the angle of banking is not necessary. While taking turn, he can lean left side or right side towards the center, so as to provide this angle of banking, necessary angle of banking for circular motion. Okay, I will explain you in detail. So in the case of bike rider, what angle it makes to with the vertical is this angle. Theta it is equal to tan inverse of v square divided by rg. So you have to write this expression. Okay, so this is an expression for a bike rider which make with respect to vertical. Okay, so as to get the circular motion, or what we can say is the safety speed, which is what vs safety speed, suppose it is denoted by vs, so vs will be vs square will be equal to rg tan theta, so vs will be equal to under root of rg tan theta, correct? So if suppose you are riding a cycle, okay, in the case of banking of road, what we do is in the case of banking of road, we consider the road inclined with respect to horizontal like this, suppose, right? तो दिस इज व्हाट एंगल ऑफ बैंकिंग थीटा, हम लोग रोड को जानबूझ के थोड़ा बैंक करके रखते हैं विद रिस्पेक्ट टू हॉरिजॉन्टल, सच दैट व्हीकल जो है व्हीकल ऐसे टिल्ट हो जाए, व्हीकल टिल्ट हो जाए. बट इन द केस ऑफ बाइक राइडर, बाइक राइडर क्या करता है, सपोज ही वांट टू टेक अ लेफ्ट टर्न इन दिस डायरेक्शन, इफ ही वांट टू टेक अ टर्न, सो वो खुद ही क्या हो जाता है, खुद ही क्या हो जाता है, लीन हो जाता है इन दिस डायरेक्शन, रेडी नॉट. तो बाइक राइडर खुद ही लीन हो जाता है इन दिस डायरेक्शन. आपने साइकिल चलाया होगा, साइकिल चलाते हुए आपने देखा होगा कि जो डायरेक्शन में आपको टर्न लेना है, सपोज यू हैव टू टेक अ टर्न इन राइट डायरेक्शन, सो कौन से डायरेक्शन में आप लीन हो जाते हो, यू शिफ्ट टुवर्ड्स राइट डायरेक्शन, रेडी और नॉट. Now, if suppose this is what the normal reaction, this was the normal reaction n, this is the vertical axis. Right now, this is the vertical axis. Now, how much angle it makes, the vehicle makes with the vertical, same as the angle of banking theta. So, same is the angle of banking theta which is made by a car. Okay, in the case of what angle of banking वाला concept, अभी ये वाले केस में the two wheeler, it is what making an angle with respect to vertical. So how much is the angle which is made by, with respect to vertical, is the same angle of banking theta. Getting or not? The same angle of banking theta. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? अभी आप क्यों इस तरफ लीन होते हैं, बिकॉज ये वाले डायरेक्शन में क्या है, सेंटर है. तो वट एवर इज द फोर्स, आप सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स होता है और सर्कुलर मोशन में, और दूसरा क्या होता है, सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स होता है. दो फोर्सेस प्रेजेंट होता है, सेंट्रीपिटल और सेंट्रीफ्यूगल. सो कौन सा नेसेसरी है सर्कुलर मोशन के लिए, सेंट्रीपिटल इज नेसेसरी फॉर सर्कुलर मोशन. तो सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स शुड बी ग्रेटर देन सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स फॉर परफेक्ट सर्कुलर मोशन, राइट नाउ. सो सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स आपको बढ़ाना है, इसलिए यू लीन टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर. ओके, अगर आपको लेफ्ट टर्न लेना है, इफ यू वांट टू टेक अ लेफ्ट टर्न, और अगर आप राइट साइड में लीन हो जाते हो, दैट मीन्स सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स आपका बढ़ जाएगा. ओके, और आप सर्कुलर मोशन परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाओगे, आप गिर जाओगे. ठीक है ना? आप ट्राई कर सकते हो ऐसा साइकिल चलाते हुए, ठीक है ना, लॉकडाउन के बाद में आप लेफ्ट साइड में टर्न लेने के टाइम पे आप राइट साइड में लीन होके लेफ्ट साइड का टर्न लेना, देख लेना क्या होता है. सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स नहीं मिलता है सर्कुलर मोशन परफॉर्म करने के लिए, सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स होता है वो ज्यादा बढ़ जाता है. सो सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स आपको अवे फ्रॉम सेंटर लेके ये क्या कर देगा, गिरा देगा आपको. सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स आपको गिरा देगा नीचे, ठीक है. बट सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स इट इज व्हाट रिक्वायर्ड फॉर सर्कुलर मोशन. So I hope you understood. You have to write up to this much, and you have to write this is the angle made by vertical. Correct? This is the angle made with the vertical by a two-wheeler while taking turn. Right? So I hope your doubt is clear, Jessica.
Sir,
Any more doubt?
no.
Okay. Now this is what the minimum speed, the lower limit. Okay. Then consider this is what the road on which the vehicle has to take a turn. Now this is what a horizontal road. So if suppose a vehicle has to take a turn, so the frictional force it is providing necessary centripetal force for circular motion for taking left turn. Okay, for taking left turn. Now we understood that the friction force is not reliable because it newest value in that keeps on changing from condition to condition. Now we apply a technique of banking of road that we consider the road surface to be banked with respect to horizontal such that the safety speed concept it will be constant. So this is the vehicle suppose. So vehicle it is going to take a turn like this, left side turn on the bank road. This is what the left side turn of on a bank road. We derived the expression for safety speed. Now, what if the speed of the vehicle it is greater than the safety speed or it is lesser than the safety speed? So if it is lesser than the safety speed, then it is called as minimum speed or lower limit, or if it is greater than the safety speed, then it is called as upper limit or maximum speed, right? So the first case is what lower limit, that is what a minimum speed. So vehicle it is there on the bank road, okay? Vehicle it is there on the bank road. It is taking left turn. It is going to take a left turn like this. So ये क्या करेगा इसका स्पीड बहुत कम है द स्पीड ऑफ द व्हीकल इट इज व्हाट वेरी वेरी लेस तो ये व्हीकल क्या होना है धीरे धीरे क्या होगा दिस इज गोइंग टू स्लाइड इन डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन आल्सो लेकिन ये डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन जाना नहीं चाहिए राइट ना ये क्या करना चाहिए बराबर से लेफ्ट टर्न लेना चाहिए राइट इट हैज टू टेक अ लेफ्ट टर्न बट धीरे धीरे ये रोड के क्या होते जाएगा नीचे नीचे जाता जाएगा बिकॉज इसका स्पीड कम है राइट और वही केस अगर हम देखें अगर स्पीड ज्यादा है मैक्सिमम लिमिट की तरफ ओके मैक्सिमम स्पीड की तरफ तो वाइल टेकिंग अ लेफ्ट टर्न ये व्हीकल क्या होगा धीरे धीरे अवे फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऐसे मूव होगा बिकॉज द स्पीड इट इज व्हाट मोर तो स्पीड इज मोर तो ये जो सर्कल है ये ज्यादा रेडियस का होगा राइट ना स्पीड इज लेस तो ये सर्कल जो है ये कम रेडियस का होगा और स्पीड इज मॉडरेट दैट इज द सेफ्टी स्पीड तो वो जहां पे वो ड्राइव करना चाहता है उसी डायरेक्शन में स्पीड होगा राइट ना उसी डायरेक्शन में व्हीकल होगा so this is all about the concept, right? So I will explain you once again how to draw the banking of road diagram because the diagram come for 2 marks. It may come for 2 marks. So this is what the horizontal surface, but we are dealing with banking of road. So the method of keeping the surface of the road inclined with respect to horizontal. So this is what the inclined we are making the surface of the road inclined with respect to horizontal. Such that the angle between this is what horizontal surface. This is what horizontal surface. And this is bank surface. The angle between horizontal surface and bank surface, this is called as angle of banking theta. Okay, this is called as angle of banking theta. So we are not interested in this part. Next is we have to draw a vehicle which is going to take a turn on this bank road. So we have to draw a rectangular box such that this side it should be parallel to this bank surface. So this is what a vehicle I am drawing. Okay, so there's a vehicle. Now how many forces are acting on this vehicle? There are two forces actually primarily it is acting according to the concept of safety speed. This is the weight of the vehicle which is always weight will always direct in downward direction. So weight of the vehicle it is nothing but W and W it is nothing but what mg. The next force which is acting on this car or a vehicle it is nothing but a normal reaction which is perpendicular. Normal reaction is always perpendicular to the surface. Now what is the surface of for this vehicle is the bank surface. So normal reaction is always perpendicular to the surface and this is what the direction of normal reaction. So this is normal reaction n. Now this n, it is in xy plane. This is neither along x-axis nor along y-axis. So what we can do is we can resolve this x into two components, n into two components. One directing along y-axis, another directing along x-axis. So this is what along y-axis, suppose this is what n, and another will be directing towards x-axis, suppose, and this is what again the component of n along x-axis. This should be properly drawn. Okay, ये जो है इसका जो एज है ये बराबर रेक्टेंगल बनना चाहिए. अभी देखो थोड़ा एरो आगे निकल गया, वैसा नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है, this is what, if this is angle theta, this will be angle theta. So side which is adjacent to theta, that is called as n cos theta. Side which is adjacent to theta, that is called as n cos theta. So this is what n cos theta, and side opposite to theta, that is called as n sin theta. So this is what n sin theta. So this was the diagram of safety speed only, right now, जो पिछले वाले कंसेप्ट में हमने देखा था. तो अगर आप ऐसे बनाओगे अच्छे से, तो ये जो थीटा है, this angle theta and this angle theta with respect to vertical, you will get same. And on this side, you have to draw this. You have to write this n cos theta. It is greater than n sin theta. So n cos theta is always greater than n sin theta. But यहाँ पे क्या है, मिनिमम स्पीड है. अभी मिनिमम स्पीड वाले केस में ऑब्जेक्ट कौन से डायरेक्शन में जाएगा? मिनिमम केस वाले केस में ऑब्जेक्ट कौन से डायरेक्शन में जाएगा आपके हिसाब से? मिनिमम है मतलब स्पीड कम है, तो ऑब्जेक्ट ये वाले डायरेक्शन में मूव होगा, होने की कोशिश करेगा, राइट? ऑब्जेक्ट विल टेंड टू मूव इन दिस डायरेक्शन. बट मूव होना चाहिए क्या? नहीं. ऑब्जेक्ट ये नीचे वाले डायरेक्शन में मूव होने की कोशिश करेगा, बट मूव होना चाहिए क्या? नहीं होना चाहिए मूव. तो उसको रोकेगा कौन? मूव होने से रोकेगा कौन? उसको मूव होने से रोकेगा फ्रिक्शन फोर्स. कौन रोकेगा उसको मूव होने से? फ्रिक्शन फोर्स. Now what friction force, it is always opposite to that of motion. Now motion was there in this direction. This was the direction of motion. Okay, this was the direction of motion. जो कि उसका स्पीड कम है, इसलिए मोशन ये वाले डायरेक्शन में होने वाला है. एंड द फ्रिक्शन फोर्स, it is exactly opposite to that of motion. So this is nothing but the friction force. Right now, the friction force, it is between rubber tire and rough road surface. इसलिए friction force जो Fs है, वो हमेशा ये वाले डायरेक्शन में होगा, along the surface. Now, if you see, if you observe this Fs जो है, again it is not along this x-axis and y-axis direction. एक particular direction में नहीं है. हमें क्या करना है? हमें वेक्टर को सॉल्व करना है. हमें ये वेक्टर्स को सॉल्व करना है. So it is very much necessary that vectors should be there along y-axis, या फिर it should be there along x-axis. क्योंकि वो अगर ऐसे along y-axis, along x-axis है, so we can easily add and subtract that vectors. Okay, we can easily add or subtract that vectors. तो अभी ये x y डायरेक्शन में नहीं है, particular x direction में, particular y direction में नहीं है. So what we have to do is we can resolve this vector Fs into two components again. So this one will be directing along x-axis. So this is the vector resolution of Fs, one along x-axis. The another vector will be along y-axis like this. So another vector will be along y-axis. Okay. So this has to be properly drawn. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया था कैसे इसको draw करना है. ये जो rectangle है ये direct match होना चाहिए ऐसा, right? ये जो rectangle है ये match होना चाहिए, dotted line match होना चाहिए. अभी देखो अगर आप properly बनाओगे तो ये जो angle theta है और ये वाला angle theta है, you are going to get the same thing. Okay, the same angle theta you will be getting. So this is what? This is angle theta. This is what angle theta. Okay. So let me erase the things which are not required. So what is Fs? Fs is this line. This is what Fs line. Then what is Fs cos theta? The side which is in touch with the theta. So this is what the side which is in touch with theta. So this will be called as fs cos theta, right? और ये side theta के touch में नहीं है, so this will be called as fs sin theta. That will be called as fs sin theta, and this is called as what fs cos theta. Now you look at the diagram and draw vectors with their particular directions. So मैं देख रहा हूँ यहाँ पे ये वाले diagram में there are some vectors. fs cos theta जो है वो ये वाले डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है, राइट? कौन से डायरेक्शन में? एक्स एक्सिस के डायरेक्शन में और राइट साइड में. दिस इज व्हाट fs cos theta. fs sin theta you can say this is what upward direction like this. Okay, तो मैं नाम भी लिख रहा हूँ उसका. This is what fs cos theta is there and this is what fs sin theta is there. और कौन से फोर्सेस हैं? और है फोर्सेस n cos theta भी है हमारे पास, राइट? n cos theta it is directing in upward direction, so this is what n cos theta is, right? And n sin theta it is along x-axis and directing in this direction, left side. Okay, so we will write the name. This is what n cos theta and this is what n sin theta. हो गया कि कोई और एक फोर्स बाकी है? एक फोर्स बाकी है, that is what W, which is acting in downward direction. So that is weight of the vehicle. The weight of the vehicle, it is acting in downward direction. So this is what the weight of the vehicle, W, right? So this is what W, which is nothing but mg. So what we can say from this diagram, what we can observe from this diagram, we can observe from this diagram that this n cos theta was balancing the weight of the vehicle. Abhi n cos theta plus fs sin theta, they are in same direction, right? We can say this n cos theta plus fs sin theta, because they are in the same direction, they will be added. Fs sin theta and n cos theta will be added and they provide what? It is nothing but balancing the weight of the vehicle. Balancing the weight of the vehicle, that means it is giving you the value of W, right? Now getting? Next is what? We want to get a force which is towards the center. This is the center. This is the center direction. Because vehicle is taking a left turn, so center it is towards the left. So this is what left side. Now there should be a centripetal force for circular motion. There should be a centripetal force for circular motion. Centripetal force, it is nothing but towards the center. Which force is towards the center? N sin theta is towards the center. So n sin theta provides necessary centripetal force for circular motion. लेकिन n sin theta को cancel कौन कर रहा है? n sin theta को cancel कर रहा है, मतलब cancel नहीं, पूरा cancel नहीं कर रहा है, but उसको कम कर रहा है, right? Subtract कर रहा है. कौन? fs cos theta, because वो उसके opposite direction में है, n sin theta के opposite direction में है. So FCP it is provided by n sin theta minus fs cos theta. ये इतना समझ में आया आप सबको, राइट? n cos theta fs sin theta ऊपर वाले डायरेक्शन में है, तो इसके लिए दोनों ऐड हो गया. n sin theta fs cos theta अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में है, इसलिए n sin theta से fs cos theta सब्ट्रैक्ट हो गया, राइट? एंड जो भी आंसर आ रहा है, दैट इज प्रोवाइडिंग नेसेसरी सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स फॉर सर्कुलर मोशन. ये समझा इतना? गुड, समझ में आ रहा है? ओके. Now what we can do is we will write this equation number 1 and equation number 2. What is there in, suppose I am writing this is what equation number A, this equation number B. So what is there in A? We are having in A n cos theta plus fs sin theta. What is the value of W? W it is equal to mg, right? And on this side, what we can write, n sin theta minus fs cos theta what this is equal to FCP, and what is the formula of FCP that we should consider for velocity? mv square divided by r. So this is nothing but mv square divided by r. Suppose this is equation number 2, this is what equation number 1. So what I can do is I can divide this to equations. Suppose equation number 2 is getting divided by equation number 1. So इक्वेशन नंबर 2 अगर डिवाइड हो जाएगा इक्वेशन नंबर 1 से, सो इक्वेशन नंबर 2 के पास में mv स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय r डिवाइडेड बाय mg. सो यहाँ पे mm विल गेट कैंसिल एंड क्या बचेगा, यहाँ पे बचेगा n sin थीटा माइनस fs cos थीटा डिवाइडेड बाय n cos थीटा प्लस fs sin थीटा. सो यहाँ पे है हमारे पास में v स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय rg आ गया, राइट, v स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय rg. यहाँ पे what we can write is the formula of fs. किसी को याद है fs का फॉर्मूला क्या था? What was the formula of fs? fs it is equal to
n.
very good, mu s into n. So fs it is equal to mu s into n. So this is nothing but n sin theta minus fs it is what mu s into n cos theta divided by n cos theta plus fs it is nothing but mu s into n sin theta, right? So what next is we have to divide this equation from n cos theta. किससे डिवाइड करेंगे? n cos theta से. तो क्या मिलेगा यहाँ पे? v स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय rg है, तो यहाँ पे n cos theta से डिवाइड करोगे तो n कैंसिल हो जाएगा, sin theta अपॉन cos theta क्या मिलेगा आपको? tan theta. ओके, माइनस mu s n cos theta क्या हो जाएगा? कैंसिल हो जाएगा, सो बचा माइनस mu s. नीचे क्या बचेगा? n cos theta से डिवाइड करना, so n cos theta divided by n cos theta, this is what 1. So what we have to do is we have to divide by n cos theta, numerator and denominator. प्लस है, उसके बाद में प्लस mu s n sin theta divided by n cos theta, so n कैंसिल हो जाएगा, mu s बचेगा, sin theta अपॉन cos theta क्या हो जाता है? tan theta. So ये आ जाएगा tan theta. ठीक है, तो देखो क्या आया फॉर्मूला, v square it is v square divided by rg, it is nothing but tan theta minus mu s divided by 1 plus mu s tan theta. So what v square can be written as? V square can be written as rg multiplied by this complete bracket. What is this complete bracket? Tan theta minus mu s divided by 1 plus mu s tan theta. So what v can be written as? V can be written as under root of this whole term. So this is nothing but rg into the bracket tan theta minus mu s divided by 1 plus mu s tan theta. Right now, so this is nothing but the minimum speed. What this is nothing but the minimum velocity, v minimum. Okay, समझ में आया सबको? डेरिवेशन समझ में आया?
हाँ सर.
तो ये लिखना है या जो टेक्स्ट बुक का है वो लिखना है? टेक्स्ट बुक का वो टाइप है इसके बाद में, इसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेके रख लो चाहिए तो, ठीक है, इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो. स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया? इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है कोई भी डेरिवेशन करने के लिए? इम्पोर्टेंट है ये है फोर्स डायग्राम. ये आपको रफ में बनाना चाहिए साइड में कहीं पर, ये टेक्स्ट बुक में भी नहीं है, ठीक है ना, ये आपको साइड में बनाना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर आपने ये बना दिया बराबर से फिर आप ये लिख सकते हो, राइट, इक्वेशन नंबर 1 एंड इक्वेशन नंबर 2 ऑन विच फैक्टर इट डिपेंड्स ऑन. सो यू शुड राइट दिस ऑल थिंग्स. ओके, तो आपने स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया है, सो मैं इसको इरेज कर रहा हूँ सबको, and we will be seeing shortly what is there on the textbook, the derivation. So minimum speed में क्या होता है? मिनिमम स्पीड में जो भी सेफ्टी स्पीड है, जो वेलोसिटी हम कार चला रहे, व्हीकल चला रहे जिस स्पीड से, वो स्पीड कम होती है सेफ्टी स्पीड से, ठीक है, तो ये डायग्राम बनता है उसके लिए. द सेम डायग्राम है ये जो हमने अभी देखा था, हमने अभी बनाया था, सेम डायग्राम है, राइट. ये v1 स्पीड जो व्हीकल का स्पीड है, ये सेफ्टी स्पीड से कम होने की वजह से ये जो व्हीकल है ये नीचे नीचे डायरेक्शन में टेंड होता है, मूव करने का कोशिश करता है, मूव करने का, लेकिन मूव नहीं होता. क्यों? क्योंकि उसको फ्रिक्शन फोर्स रोक के रखता है. फ्रिक्शन फोर्स कौन से डायरेक्शन में, अपोजिट टू दैट ऑफ मोशन। व्हीकल ये डायरेक्शन में मूव होना चाहता है, ओके, क्योंकि उसका स्पीड कम है सेफ्टी स्पीड से, लेकिन उसको फ्रिक्शन फोर्स रोक रहा है। फ्रिक्शन फोर्स उल्टे डायरेक्शन में है, उसके अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में है, राइट। So this what Fs, it is in this direction. हम देख सकते हैं कि जो W है mg, ये वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड होता है हमेशा, सो इट इज अलोंग y एक्सिस डायरेक्शन इन डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन ऑलवेज। सो इसको रिजॉल्व करने की जरूरत नहीं, बिकॉज ये हमेशा y एक्सिस के डायरेक्शन में होता है, नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन ऑफ y एक्सिस। हम देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे कि n जो है इट इज अलोंग xy प्लेन एंड fs इट इज अलोंग xy प्लेन। ये x एक्सिस या y एक्सिस के डायरेक्शन में नहीं है, तो इसको रिजॉल्व करना पड़ेगा n cos थीटा और n sin थीटा में, और fs को भी रिजॉल्व करना पड़ेगा fs sin थीटा और fs cos थीटा में। Then we can see this fs sin theta and n cos theta both directions are upward direction, so upward है, इसके लिए ये दोनों क्या हो जाएगा, पॉजिटिव, प्लस कर देंगे, इन दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे, this what n cos theta plus fs sin theta, it balances the weight of the vehicle in downward direction, that is nothing but mg। तो ये हमारा पहला इक्वेशन बनेगा। दूसरा इक्वेशन बनेगा, ये जो n sin theta it is to the center of the motion, right now it is towards the center of the motion, so it provides what, centripetal force for circular motion। So इसको कैंसिल कौन कर रहा है, fs cos theta, so we can say this n sin theta minus fs cos theta, it is equal to centripetal force fcp। Okay, so from the diagram how many forces are acting on the vehicle? Three forces are acting। safety speed में there was only two forces acting, right? We were not considering the static friction force on that safety speed में, right? तो यहाँ पे ये एक्स्ट्रा टर्म ऐड हो गया fs, अगर इसको निकाल देंगे तो सेफ्टी स्पीड वाला ही डायग्राम बनेगा, right? So from the diagram there are three forces acting on the vehicle: normal reaction perpendicular to the road surface, weight acting vertically downward, and the static friction force between rubber tire and road surface। ठीक है, हेडिंग लिखो, क्वेश्चन क्या लिखोगे, क्वेश्चन लिखोगे आप, क्वेश्चन लिखो पहले। Derive an expression for lower limit or minimum velocity।
lower limit,
It is called as lower limit, ना, minimum speed or lower limit, right? For a vehicle, there are an expression for of lower limit for a vehicle taking turn on bank surface। There are an expression of lower limit, okay? There are an expression of lower limit or minimum velocity, we can say, for a vehicle taking turn on bank road or bank surface। Return the question, क्वेश्चन लिखा सबने, उसके बाद लिखो आंसर। Let v1 be the velocity of a vehicle, let v1 be the velocity of vehicle, let v1 be the velocity of vehicle taking left turn on bank surface as shown below। Let v1 be the velocity of vehicle taking left turn on bank surface as shown below। So you have to draw the diagram next. Draw the diagram. In this diagram next you have to write n cos theta is greater than n sin theta। ठीक है, डायग्राम बनाओ जल्दी से। I hope you have completed the diagram. Okay, after completing the diagram, you write this. From the diagram, there are three forces acting on the vehicle. The normal reaction perpendicular to road surface, the weight acting vertically downward, and the static friction force between rubber tire and rough road surface. Done? Okay. So we will move to the next slide. You have completed this writings. Okay. So normal reaction, we can say normal reaction and friction force. It is to be resolved into two components such that n cos theta and fs sin theta balances the weight of the vehicle because both were acting in upward direction. याद है ना? So n cos theta and fs sin theta दोनों भी ऊपर वाले डायरेक्शन में थे, तो it balances the weight of the vehicle. और दूसरा क्या n sin theta unbalance n sin theta and negative fs cos theta. Why negative fs cos theta? Because fs cos theta was in the opposite direction. तो अगर उसको नेगेटिव अगर हमने बोल दिया तो fs cos theta n sin theta के डायरेक्शन में ही आ जाएगा, राइट नाउ. So unbalanced n sin theta and negative fs cos theta directed towards the center of the circular path provides what necessary centripetal force for circular motion. सो इसका मतलब पहले वाले पॉइंट के हिसाब से हमारे पास में है वेट ऑफ द व्हीकल mg. इट इज बैलेंस्ड बाय व्हाट n cos थीटा प्लस fs sin थीटा. और दूसरे वाले पॉइंट के हिसाब से हमारे पास में है कि ये जो सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स है, सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है mv स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय r. अभी क्या है स्पीड ऑफ द व्हीकल, v1 इज द स्पीड ऑफ द व्हीकल, तो v1 mv1 स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय r इट इज इक्वल टू व्हाट n sin थीटा है positive and fs cos theta negative, so n sin theta minus fs cos theta, right now. So we will divide these two equations. Dividing equation number 2 by 1, what we will get is, we will get this, will get cancelled, so v1 square divided by rg, it is equal to n sin theta minus fs cos theta और डिवाइडेड बाय व्हाट n cos थीटा प्लस fs sin थीटा, ये वाले केस में. फिर उसके बाद में fs का वैल्यू क्या है, fs का वैल्यू है μs into n. सो वी विल राइट fs के जगह पे μs into n. सो ये मिल गया हमें v1 स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय rg, इट इज इक्वल टू n sin थीटा माइनस fs की जगह पे क्या μs into n cos थीटा and fs की जगह पे यहाँ पे क्या μs into n sin थीटा. So we will divide. Next step is what? Dividing numerator and denominator by n cos theta. So dividing numerator and denominator by n cos theta, what we will get is, we'll get this n sin theta divided by n cos theta. And then cancel sin theta upon cos theta क्या होगा tan theta. n cos theta divided by n cos theta दोनों cancel हो जाएगा, क्या बचेगा सिर्फ mu s, तो tan theta minus mu s. n cos theta divided by n cos theta, so दोनों भी cancel हो जाएगा, क्या बचेगा 1 plus mu s n sin theta divided by n cos theta, and then cancel हो जाएगा, mu s बचेगा, sin upon cos it is what tan. So that's what tan theta. So what is the value of v1? v1 it is nothing but the minimum speed, or we say it is what a lower limit. So there's nothing but v minimum. V minimum it is equal to under root of rg and into the bracket tan theta minus mu s divided by 1 plus mu s tan theta. तो ये वाला इक्वेशन से आप क्या देख सकते हो, ये वाला इक्वेशन से आप कंक्लूड कर सकते हो दैट दिस v minimum does not depends on the mass of the vehicle, right? So this safety, speed, minimum and maximum velocities are independent of mass of the vehicle. Okay, लिख लो इतना फटाफट. complete this fast.
सर इसमें नोट क्या लिखना है?
नोट हम लोग लास्ट में लिखेंगे जब भी पूरा डेरिवेशन कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, मैक्सिमम स्पीड का भी लास्ट में नोट लिखेंगे, ठीक है। ये कंप्लीट हो गया सबका?
Yes, sir, completed.
Yeah, good. So in the next slide, ये हमने कैलकुलेट कर लिया मिनिमम स्पीड या फिर लोअर लिमिट। हम लोग next question will be derive an expression for upper limit or maximum speed for a vehicle which is driven on the bank road. Okay. So maximum speed is the next question. So again, what we have to draw is the diagram of the banking of road. I hope अभी आपको सबको पता है how to draw the banking of road diagram. Okay. So मैं थोड़ा फटाफट बनाऊंगा अभी. So this is what the horizontal surface is, what the bank surface. Okay. The other part we are not interested in. So this is what drawn like this. This is horizontal. This is bank surface. So the angle of banking, it is what theta. This is angle of banking theta. Next we have to draw a vehicle. So this line we should draw parallel to the bank surface. Again we should draw a box, a rectangle box. Then this is what the wheels of the vehicle. Only two wheels you have to draw. That means it is not moving in upward or downward direction. It is taking a turn, left side turn. Okay. Now the forces acting on this vehicle. This is very much important, right? The forces acting on the vehicle is important. So the first force which is acting on that vehicle, it is the weight of the vehicle in downward direction. So this is the weight of the vehicle in downward direction. W it is equal to what? Mg, right? Next is the normal reaction. The normal reaction, it is acting normal to the surface, that is normal to the bank surface. This is the surface of the vehicle, bank surface. This is the normal reaction. It is acting in this direction. It is an xy plane. Okay, so we have to resolve that into two components, such that one representing in x-axis direction, another representing in y-axis direction. So after resolving, we will get something like this. This is along y-axis. This is along x-axis. So this side, it is called as n cos theta, and this side will be called as n sin theta. Why n cos theta? Because this side it is adjacent to theta. Whatever is this theta value, same as this theta value. Okay, and we should ensure that n sin theta and n cos theta are properly drawn. So we will draw a rectangular box like this. Okay, dotted line. Now the next term that we should understand is in which direction it is tending to move. It is what up maximum speed. So vehicle, it is going to move in this direction. This is the direction of motion. Maximum speed में vehicle ये वाले direction में move होने की कोशिश करेगा. But उसको रोकेगा कौन? उसको रोकेगा opposite force, that is what a friction force. Opposite force उसको रोकने वाला. Opposite force, friction force उसको रोकने वाला है, ठीक है? So friction force, it is directing opposite to that of motion. So where the friction force will be acting, the friction force will be acting in opposite direction like this. So this is nothing but the friction force, Fs. Now also you can see this Fs, it is neither along x or y axis direction. So again we have to resolve this Fs into two components. Okay, Fs has to resolve into two components. So this will be the direction along x-axis. This will be the direction along y-axis. Okay. अगर वो angle theta है, so what is the angle theta? So this is angle theta. This is theta, right? If that is theta, then if that is theta, then what is this side? This will be Fs cos theta, because it is adjacent to theta, and this side it is Fs sin theta, right? अभी हम लोग ये डायग्राम तो बना लिया, बट ये डायग्राम तो सिर्फ चलो ठीक है मार्क्स लेने के लिए है, जो टेक्स्ट बुक में है वैसा ये डायग्राम हमने बना दिया. बट एक्चुअल में हमें कौन सा डायग्राम चाहिए? हमें चाहिए फोर्स डायग्राम, ठीक है ना? वो आपको अच्छे से बनाना है, क्योंकि जो है आपका कैलकुलेशन जो है वो उस डायग्राम पे बेस्ड होगा. तो हम लोग को पूरे फोर्सेस बनाने हैं, कौन से फोर्सेस एक्ट हो रहे हैं व्हीकल पे। तो फ्रिक्शन फोर्स पहले कंसीडर करते हैं। तो फ्रिक्शन फोर्स में एफ एस कॉस थीटा इट इज इन दिस डायरेक्शन एंड एफ एस साइन थीटा इट इज इन डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन लाइक दिस। नाम लिख देते हैं इसका। दिस इज व्हाट एफ एस कॉस थीटा, दिस इज व्हाट एफ एस साइन थीटा, राइट। नेक्स्ट फोर्स जो एक्ट हो रहा है दैट इज नथिंग बट सपोज द वेट ऑफ द व्हीकल, the weight of the vehicle it is acting in downward direction. So this is nothing but the weight of the vehicle in downward direction. Okay, we will write the name. This is nothing but W, which is nothing but mg. Okay, and the next is the values of n cos theta and n sin theta. Vectors n cos theta it is acting in upward direction. This is n cos theta. This is n cos theta, and n sin theta it is in this direction. This is n sin theta, right? So we will write the names. This is nothing but n cos theta, and this is nothing but n sin theta. ठीक है, तो ये फोर्स डायग्राम बन गया। अभी आप ये फोर्स डायग्राम से बहुत कुछ कंक्लूड कर सकते हो, राइट। पहला पॉइंट आप क्या लिख सकते हो? पहला पॉइंट आप लिख सकते हो कि ये जो वेट है mg, इसको कौन बैलेंस कर रहा है? n cos थीटा और एफ एस साइन थीटा। अभी देखो एफ एस साइन थीटा इट इज इन डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन, तो ऊपर जाने के लिए इसको नेगेटिव कर सकते हो, राइट। या फिर आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो कि जो n cos थीटा है इट इज नथिंग बट एफ एस साइन थीटा प्लस w, बट यू नीड द वैल्यू ऑफ w। सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ w? w it is nothing but n cos theta minus fs sin theta, getting or not? So w it is nothing but n cos theta minus fs sin theta. Done. What w it is equal to mg? So mg will be equal to n cos theta minus fs sin theta. Suppose this is what equation number 1. अभी दूसरा फोर्स अगर हम देखें तो ये एफ एस कॉस थीटा और एन साइन थीटा दे आर अनबैलेंस्ड, इसको कोई कैंसिल नहीं कर रहा है, एंड बोथ आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल। Okay, so they provide necessary centripetal force for circular motion. So according to the second point, what we can get is centripetal force for circular motion. It is nothing but Fs cos theta plus n sin theta, right? Because both are moving in same direction, so they will be added. What is the FCT that we should consider is mv square divided by r. पहले वाले केस में वेलोसिटी था v, दूसरे वाले केस में वेलोसिटी था v1। अभी मैक्सिमम स्पीड मतलब v2, मैक्सिमम स्पीड मतलब v2। व्हाट वी वांट टू गेट इज v2 वैल्यू, so this will be v2, so this will be fs cos theta plus n sin theta. This is suppose equation number 2. So what we have to do is we have to divide equation number 1, or sorry, equation number 2 divided by equation number 1. So what we have is mv2 square divided by r divided by what? mg will be equal to what? fs cos theta plus n sin theta divided by n cos theta minus fs sin theta. तो यहाँ पे mm कैंसिल हो गया, राइट। क्या बचेगा? v2 स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय rg, इट इज नथिंग बट fs की जगह पे क्या लिख सकते हैं हम लिख सकते हैं fs इट इज इक्वल टू μs into n, राइट। सो fs की जगह पे μs into n लिख सकते हैं, तो दिस व्हाट μs into n cos theta plus n sin theta divided by n cos theta minus fs की जगह पे क्या लिख सकते हैं? μs into n, so that is nothing but μs into n sin theta, right? What is the next step? The next step is divided by n cos theta. So if you divide by n cos theta, what you will get? So divided by n cos theta, you will get v square divided by rg, it is equal to μs n cos theta divided by n cos theta. In this first term, we are getting μs plus n sin theta divided by n cos theta, and n cancel sin theta upon cos theta, it is what? Tan theta. So हमें मिला tan theta divided by n cos theta divided by n cos theta, it is equal to 1 minus μs, and then cancel sin theta upon cos theta, it is tan theta. So this was tan theta. So what we got is this v square, it is equal to what? Rg into the bracket, this complete term, mu s plus tan theta divided by 1 minus mu s into tan theta. And we can say v it is nothing but under root of this complete thing. This is what Rg mu s plus tan theta divided by 1 minus mu s into tan theta. This is what the second speed, that is what v2. So this is what v2, this is what v2, and this v2 it is nothing but the maximum speed, so this can be considered as vmax. Okay, so this is nothing but the expression for upper limit or maximum speed for a vehicle to be driven on bank surface, right? You understood this? Same है ना? Same है, बस friction force का direction अलग है. Friction force पहले ये वाले direction में था, in this direction. Now the friction force that is in opposite direction. Okay, so that is the friction force direction is different. उसके हिसाब से सिर्फ plus minus change हो रहा है. पिछले वाले derivation में हमारे यहाँ पे mu s minus tan theta divided by 1 plus mu s tan theta आया था. यहाँ पे plus minus change हुआ है numerator denominator का. बाकी सब same है. ठीक है, तो एक स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो आप ये, क्योंकि ये पूरा डेरिवेशन मैंने किया है. टेक्स्ट बुक के डेरिवेशन के हिसाब से हम चलेंगे. टेक्स्ट बुक में भी सेम डेरिवेशन ही है, ठीक है ना? तो एक दो स्टेप ऊपर नीचे मतलब कैसे लिखा है. क्या बोलोगे सर आपने टेक्स्ट बुक वाला करवाया नहीं, टेक्स्ट बुक में कुछ अलग ही है. स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया सबने? डन. सो मैं इरेज कर रहा हूँ ये सब टर्म्स. Let us see what will be the question. First will be the question. Question लिखो सब लोग. They have an expression for maximum speed, or we can say upper limit, for a vehicle taking turn on bank road. So there's a question, derive an expression for maximum speed or upper limit for a vehicle taking turn on bank surface. So what is in this case? ये मत लिखो in this case. पहले लिखो answer. Answer लिखो answer. Consider a vehicle taking left turn. Consider a vehicle taking left turn on bank surface. Consider a vehicle taking left turn on bank surface with velocity v2. With velocity v2. Consider a vehicle taking left turn on bank surface with velocity v2 as shown below. As shown below. So in this case, what is v2? v2 it is greater than vs. पहले वाले केस में क्या था? v1 was lesser than vs. vs it is what safety speed. तो अगर safety speed से तुम्हारा velocity ज्यादा रहेगा, तो vehicle ऊपर वाले direction में move करेगा. It is going to tend to move in upward direction. But ये फ्रिक्शन फोर्स उसको रोकेगा अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में मूव करने के लिए, तो इसीलिए फ्रिक्शन फोर्स इट इज अपोजिट टू दैट ऑफ मोशन. पहले वाले केस में क्या था? मिनिमम स्पीड वाले केस में v1 वाज लेसर देन vs, सो व्हीकल ये वाले डायरेक्शन में मूव होने की कोशिश कर रहा था, लेकिन उसको फ्रिक्शन फोर्स अपोजिट डायरेक्शन से उसको रोक रहा था मूव करने के लिए, राइट? ड्रॉ दिस डायग्राम. For what we can say is how many forces are acting on this vehicle. There are three forces: normal reaction, the weight of the vehicle, and friction force between rubber tire and rough road surface. Again, in this diagram, we can see this n cos theta, it is greater than n sin theta. So I hope you have completed this much. Let us move to the next slide, which will be now see the diagram. Okay, the fourth diagram you should know this. N cos theta, it is in upward direction. Fs sin theta, it is in downward direction. Weight is in downward direction. N sin theta, Fs cos theta, it is towards the center. Okay, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. So normal reaction and friction force Fs is can be resolved into two components such that N cos theta balances the weight of the vehicle and what? Fs sin theta, that means N cos theta, it is what equal to W plus Fs sin theta, and N sin theta and Fs cos theta दोनों भी positive है, right? Directed towards the center of the circular path and provides what? Necessary centrifugal force for circular motion. So what we have according to the first one, according to the first equation we have, ये first वाला equation का मतलब क्या है? First वाला equation का मतलब है n cos theta balances the weight. So this n cos theta balances मतलब equality, balances the weight. Weight मतलब W and of the vehicle and plus Fs sin theta, right? So n cos theta it is equal to mg plus Fs sin theta, और फिर mg क्या हो जाएगा? mg will be equal to n cos theta minus Fs sin theta. This is according to the first First point, according to the second point, what we have FCP, it is nothing but n sin theta plus fs cos theta. FCP, it is what mv square divided by r. यहाँ पे velocity क्या है v2. So this is what m v2 square divided by r. It is equal to n sin theta plus fs cos theta. Dividing equation number 2 by equation number 1, we get what we get is mm will get cancelled and this will be divided by n cos theta minus fs sin theta. So mm cancel हो गया, v2 square divided by r g क्या आएगा, n sin theta plus fs cos theta ये वाला term divided by ये वाला term n cos theta minus fs sin theta. अभी what we know is fs value, fs it is equal to mu s into n. So but fs it is equal to mu s into n. What you will get is mu s into n. fs की जगह पे लिख देंगे, this will be v2 square divided by r g, it is equal to n sin theta divided by n sin theta plus fs mu s. fs की जगह पे क्या mu s into n cos theta divided by n cos theta minus fs की जगह पे क्या mu s into n sin theta. Next step is again same, dividing numerator and denominator by n cos theta, we will get what, n sin theta divided by n cos theta and then cancel sin upon cos करेगा tan theta. यहाँ पे n cos theta cancel हो जाएगा, क्या बचेगा mu s. यहाँ पे n cos theta divided by n cos theta क्या हो जाएगा 1. इधर क्या mu s into n sin theta divided by n cos theta and then cancel sin upon cos theta हो जाएगा tan theta. So this is what v2 square divided by rg, it is what tan theta plus mu s divided by 1 minus mu s tan theta. rg यहाँ जाएगा, v square है तो रूट कंसिडर कर लेंगे तो it will be v2 and this is what maximum speed. So क्या मिलेगा, v max it is equal to under root of rg into the bracket ये वाला पूरा term tan theta plus mu s divided by 1 minus mu s tan theta. Okay, so that is nothing but the maximum speed. Okay, लिख लो यहाँ पूरा. Okay, so I hope you have completed this writing. Next slide. There is nothing but the revision of the banking approach expressions. What are the various expressions that we concluded? We concluded the safety speed, right? So safety speed was nothing but the value of Vs, and Vs was equal to under root of Rg tan theta. Now, in the case of horizontal surface, in the case of horizontal surface, the value of Vs was equal to what? The value of Vs was equal to under root of mu s Rg. Now mu s was a drawback because it was variable. It was changing from condition to condition. Now in the case of banking of road, this mu s it is changed towards tan theta. Mu s it is changed towards tan theta. Mu s it is replaced by tan theta. So tan theta it is the constant term. So once the road is constructed, nobody can change the value of theta. Okay, so this is what Rg tan theta safety speed it is what constant. So from this also we can get the angle of banking theta. So what Vs square can be written as what? It can be written as Rg tan theta. So we can say the Vs square divided by Rg it is equal to tan theta, and the angle of banking theta it is equal to what? Tan वहाँ आ जाएगा, so that will be tan inverse. And this is what tan inverse of Vs square divided by Rg. V square divided by Rg, that is what tan theta or theta it is equal to. This theta it is measured in what degrees? This is the practical calculation, so they are measured in what degrees? Next is minimum speed. So when to get minimum speed? Minimum speed is nothing but V. In this case, the value of V1 was lesser than Vs. Whatever is the safety speed, if it is the we are driving with the speed which is lesser than the safety speed, then that is called as what minimum speed, and minimum speed formula we derive it is what this. The next is what maximum speed. What is maximum speed? Maximum speed is nothing but V2. Whenever we are driving greater than the safety speed, then we should get a maximum speed. Maximum कितने स्पीड तक आप चला सकते हो ताकि आपका जो व्हीकल है वो स्लिप ना हो रोड से, राइट? स्किट ना मारे व्हीकल। क्यों? क्योंकि फ्रिक्शन फोर्स उसको पकड़ के रखना चाहिए। अगर स्किट मार दिया इसका मतलब फ्रिक्शन फोर्स पकड़ के नहीं रखा, इसका मतलब आपने मैक्स स्पीड जो है बहुत ज्यादा स्पीड पे चला गया, राइट? तो मैक्स मैक्स टू मैक्स कितने स्पीड पे चलाना चाहिए? So this is nothing but that Vmax. Vmax it is equal to under root of Rg into the bracket tan theta plus mu s divided by 1 minus mu s tan theta. You can see this is what only there is a difference of what plus and minus in the numerator and denominator between minimum speed and maximum speed. Next is what important point that we should note. What important point that we should note is mu s if it is equal to 0. If mu s it is equal to 0, then equation number 2 and equation number 1, equation number 2 and equation number 3 reduces to equation number 1. You can substitute the value of mu s it is equal to 0. तो देखो यहाँ पे 0 आ गया, तो tan theta से कुछ भी subtract नहीं हो रहा, that means what tan theta बच गया, नीचे क्या है 0, तो 0 into tan theta it is what 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 it is what 1, तो डिनोमिनेटर में सिर्फ 1 है, बचेगा क्या? Rg tan theta. So this is what Rg tan theta. नेक्स्ट वाले केस पे भी mu s का वैल्यू 0 सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, 0 प्लस tan theta is tan theta, 0 multiplied by tan theta it is what 0, 1 minus 0 it is what only 1 is pending, तो क्या बचेगा? Rg tan theta under root of Rg tan theta, that is nothing but equation number 1. So if you do not consider the friction force, equation number 2 and equation number 3 it becomes equation number 1. If suppose you consider mu s it is equal to cot theta, so in equation number 3 suppose you consider mu s it is equal to cot theta, so cot theta means tan theta multiplied by cot theta it is equal to what 1, so that means 1 minus 1 कितना हो जाएगा? 0, डिनोमिनेटर में 0, इसका मतलब आंसर क्या होगा? नॉट डिफाइंड, इट इज व्हाट मैक्सिमम वैल्यू, राइट? सो ये वाले केस में देयर वोंट विल बी एनी v max, क्या रहेगा वहां पे? सिर्फ v minimum. Okay, that there will be only minimum speed which will be required. Minimum speed किस में required था? well of death वाले केस में. So ये well of death वाला केस है, right now. Also अगर म्यूएक्स का मैक्सिमम वैल्यू अगर हमने 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया ये वाले केस में, तो ये तो 1 हो गया, राइट? क्या बचा? 1 माइनस tan थीटा. और अगर tan थीटा का वैल्यू अगर ग्रेटर देन है, कि नॉट tan थीटा, इट इज व्हाट थीटा. अगर थीटा का वैल्यू इट इज ग्रेटर देन, थीटा वैल्यू इट इज ग्रेटर देन 45 डिग्री, सो tan 45 कितना होता है? 1, राइट? एंड इफ सपोज थीटा इट इज ग्रेटर देन 45, इसका मतलब tan थीटा का वैल्यू विल बी ग्रेटर देन 1. ग्रेटर देन 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट हो गया 1 से, सो आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? नेगेटिव. एंड रूट में अगर नेगेटिव है, दैट मींस इट इज व्हाट? एन इमेजिनरी टर्म. सो अगेन दैट इज नॉट डिफाइंड, सो v max अगेन कितना हो जाएगा? इन्फिनिटी. इसका मतलब we are not interested in, we cannot get the value of Vmax. Maximum speed कितना चला सकते हो? जितना चलाना उतना चलाओ. ये दो केस में maximum speed कितना चला सकते हो? जितना चला सकते हो उतना चलाओ. But minimum speed should be considered. Hence no need of maximum speed. Minimum speed is what? Enough. और ये कौन सा केस है? well of death वाला केस है. Same case of what? well of death. Okay. अक्षय has raised the hands of the अक्षय क्या डाउट है आपको? Akshay, any doubt you have? Okay, कोई डाउट नहीं है, ऐसे ही हाथ ऊपर किया जाता है. ठीक है, लिख लो इसको. कुछ डाउट है तो पूछ लो. One more note point you can add is the safety speed, maximum and minimum. The safety maximum and minimum speeds does not depends on mass of the vehicle, right? Because you cannot see m term. कोई भी इक्वेशन में m term क्या हो गया? कैंसिल हो गया. So safety speed, minimum, maximum speed equations does not contain the mass of the vehicle. It does not depends on mass of the vehicle. लिखो, इतना हो जाए तो बता दो. Then we will end the session. So those who have completed can leave this lecture. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day. Yes, Prachi, completed? Okay, Janvi, you can leave the lecture. Disha, have you completed?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.